Hey everybody, welcome to our meteorology segment. We've seen things increase in intensity here a little bit since yesterday, following this hurricane here in the north central Atlantic. Wind speeds at least 84 miles an hour. Let's look at the east side of the planet first. Here are the surface winds for the eastern world. Shout out to our viewers from under. And those north of the equator over here, leave us a comment if you're viewing from any place under this map. Here are the jet streams of the eastern portion of the planet. Jet stream blowing backwards over the northern Indian Ocean once again. Next, jet streams of the western world. And we've got some extreme meridional jet stream flow, a huge anticyclone here. A clockwise rotation over the entire eastern portion of the U.S. that will be affecting things, possibly creating some more flooding in Louisiana. We'll get to it in a moment. First, surface winds. There are the surface winds. And when we zoom in on this more organized system, we'll put down a marker here. There you go, at least 85 mile per hour winds there in that hurricane, which developed an eye wall yesterday. Power outages looking a little bit better here in Louisiana, still 629,000 out of power. Another 15,000 out of power in California among the tracked customers. Not that many alerts showing up here on weather.gov. And if your county's lit up, just click on it. Again, weather.gov. We can't go to every county, folks. We're not quite at that point yet. So here is the NASA GOES lightning mapper. We see a string of lightning here stretching from southern Illinois all the way down into Mexico. At least to Texas. Nothing too exciting going on, although Central American lightning looking fierce. Here is the real-time lightning map, courtesy lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. And we do have some terrestrial lightning here in Nebraska. Hey, North Platte, there is quite a bit of thunder rolling in. Continuing on to look at pressure cells, we're going to let this advance into the European forecast. So keep an eye on this. We'll be seeing where this thing is moving. I believe it's moving toward the Caribbean, as there is a high pressure ridge above it, keeping it to the south. So let's just advance this. And we'll repause this at 12 noon tomorrow. That's 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time. And this is, again, the European forecast. There you go. That's 1300 Eastern Daylight Time. So it looks like it's actually going to stagnate here. The system is actually hanging out here and maybe even making a turn to the north as we see a sort of a breakdown of that high pressure ridge to its north. Anyway, continuing on, it looks like clear skies over most of Central Europe. By the way, we've been doing lengthy streams on twitch.tv. This video was originally streamed to Twitch. So if you want to see when we go live, we do lots of streaming on Twitch. Download the free mobile app or head to twitch.tv/smAsho. We've been doing extended streams of the sun, so if you want the ultimate screensaver, how about the sun in 304 angstroms? It's spectacular. We did a nearly 16-hour stream last night to monitor the ongoing solar behavior. So here is BitChute as well. We are located on BitChute. And we get many, many more views on BitChute per day than we do on YouTube. And for all you BitChute viewers, thanks for tuning in, by the way. Thanks for subscribing, etc. Make sure you look at our content on YouTube as well, as if you're only viewing on BitChute, you're missing about 80-90% of our content. Today's featured product is the Mensa product, and you can find this at smashandmash.com. You can find a link to it. Today's product is Mensa, where we encourage you to make Earth not suck again. Here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news, we prefer for Earth not to suck. And so, I've got this delightful hat that I've designed, which says Mensa. Yes, make Earth not suck again. It's completely nonpartisan, as there is no political bias to making Earth not suck again. By the way, it's up to you, not giant heaving bureaucracies who can't get out of their own way to make Earth not suck again. Allow me to vanish and show you the products. There you go, Mensa, make Earth not suck again. It's up to you. There's the hat that I'm currently wearing, and the quality is quite high. You can even read smashamash.org down there in fine print. Next, thanks to our patrons, the main source of funding for the content on these channels. Low the past couple of years, thanks patrons. We encourage all of you to join the SMASH team. Yes, cancel your Patreon membership and join the SMASH team. We encourage you all to join the SMASH team. You can find links to that at smashamash.com. Look for the SMASH team icon. And we're going to actually show you a little bit into what we've been posting. Much of this will be invisible to non-paid subscribers. We do have a bronze level, which is free. You get some limited information, but a lot less than our paid members. smashamash.com/SMASH team. Welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Visit our homepage, smashamash.com. You can find links to all sorts of stuff like this in our descriptions. Introducing our next rad. So thanks to our viewer who suggested this. We've known about it for a long time. We just haven't yet incorporated it into our meteorology segments. Look for this coming soon. This is just your simple water vapor map here over the U.S. And let's move on to our Doppler radar. So a huge string of rain here stretching all the way, about to just move into Maine here, stretching all the way down to Dallas practically. And it's about to become a very rainy day here in eastern Pennsylvania. If you're wondering where we're located, right about here, about 50 miles north of Philadelphia in the Lehigh Valley. Continuing on, here is the, and we are streaming live. I apologize. We've got to press refresh here. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And it was dark out when we recorded this video. When we streamed this video, actually, it was dark out. And so we're using the 3.9 nanometer radiation map. Here's the water vapor map, the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. And here's your recap. I did not mean to drop a pin. Allow me to clear the map. There we go. And once again, there is your U.S. Doppler radar map. And this system is moving east-northeast, if not due east. So the water vapor map should help you with that. Once again, here's the cloud layer to close out your recap with water vapor. And there is a bit of a, it looks like this thing is going to be moving almost due east here throughout the rest of the day. In any case, thanks for tuning into our meteorology segment. Don't forget to tell your friends and foes about our channel. Congratulations on realizing it exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.